Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we're going to learn together how to make chicken and beef curry sauce. So please keep on watching. So the chicken and beef we are going to use, they are almost done. So I will put this aside and prepare the vegetables. So I have my carrots, I have green beans, I have spring onions, and I'll prepare these and put them aside. So in my empty pot, I'm going to allow it to heat up and then I'll add cooking butter. I'm going to stir until it dissolves properly. Ginger and garlic paste, diced onions, give it a stir, add a bit of rosemary leaves, add chicken and beef stock, stir this well. So we're going to introduce one of our main ingredients, which is pure creamed coconut. Add a little bit of coconut milk, stir and allow to dissolve. Add curry, add carrots, add the cooked beef and chicken, add the green beans, cover and allow to simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the mixed bell peppers, spring onions, cover and allow to simmer for a few minutes. Add a little amount of water if necessary and stir well. Add your habanero pepper, seasoning cubes, a pinch of salt, stir carefully. Then cover and allow to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Wow, we have our delicious, yummy chicken and beef curry sauce. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you haven't and leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're gonna try this and let me know how it came out. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in my next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.